Ribbit, ribbit. Thank you for joining me here in video 2 so we can get to work. Our instructions ask us to please watch this teacher video to color and label the stages in the life cycle of a frog in your Google slide. You don't need your journal, you don't need your pencil, you don't even need your crayons. You have your work waiting for you in a Google slide. Don't worry, I will show you exactly what to do. This is what you will see today. Dun, 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 dun. It says Frog Life Cycle. Under the title, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles, and 1, 2, 3, 4 arrows. Your job will be to look down here on the bottom at these 4 rectangle labels and these 4 square photos and copy them in the correct place. You'll have to use your finger and your pen tool to draw and to write and label. Here comes my tablet to show you just what to do. You already found the froggy. You arrowed up to find your slide with your name. Here we go. Once we're here, ribbit, we want to click our pen up top to edit our slide. When we are in editing mode, arrow over to your frog organizer. Once we are here, it's time to get to work. We have to look at our first picture or our first label. Where do you want to start? I like pictures. So I'm looking at these eggs. I'm going to get the pen tool, make it a little fatter, and copy those same illustration of eggs up here in my first box. They're all bunched in a group, and there's that little black dot inside. I'm going to add a lot because there weren't just a few. And once I have a picture, I'm going to add a label. Do you think I should label it frog, tadpole, egg, or froglet? Is that a frog? Yes or no? Tadpole? Yes or no? Egg? Yes or no? Or the froglet? Yes or no? Those are eggs. I'm going to look at the label, copy it under my eggs. Follow the arrow over what's after the egg. Now I've already used the egg, I can mark it up. I've used the egg label, I can mark it up. What will I draw next? I'm not doing it for you because you have to use your brain. After the egg, show me which one of these you will draw next. This one has legs and a tail. This one has legs, no tail. And this one has tail, no legs. Think of what's going to hatch out of that egg. You'll need a picture and a label. After it's hatched, now we're into a young-looking frog. It's called a froglet. I'll go ahead and give you that label to help you out because we're on a team. Oh, my writing's not doing good. I'm going to fix this. Remember, you can always go back to do better. Froglet. That's a little better. Now I have the froglet label. You'll have to find the froglet picture. And finally, the adult. Give me the adult frog and the frog label. Make sure all of your organizer is filled in with 4 pictures and 4 labels. You change these colors. I should see some green animals. Bumpy skin, smooth skin on your frog. Your choice. Take your time and make sure you use all 4 labels, all 4 pictures, and I can read your words and understand your pictures. When you're done and you're proud, we click Save. Be patient to save all of your hard froggy work. Then X. Check it is here edited and saved, and then turn it. One more time. Yes, please, Google. Turn it in. Thank you for working with me, little frogs. Tomorrow, we have another animal. Adios.